All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome here today. We're gonna review the conversation culturelle. Ensuite, then we're gonna learn our first negative sentence. We already read in class, but we're just gonna take it notes on it about negative sentence formally, and then you're just gonna go ahead and do your homework, which is practice 5 on page 47 of your textbook, right? So here you have the pages, you know exactly where to get them. So let's go. All right. So let's go ahead and review this conversation first. We had Paul, Eric, and Chantal. We said that they're making plans to get together on weekend. This is just a review, so we make sure we get it and we understand it. Okay. Okay, let's start with Paul. Qui aime danser? Émilie et moi, nous aimons aller en boîte. Mais Laurent est clair et n'aime pas danser. Alors, qui aime jouer au tennis? Je joue au tennis, mais je préfère jouer au volley. Bon bah, j'invite tout le monde chez moi. Tout le monde aime manger de la pizza. Alright, okay, from previous reading, I kind of explained to you what those means. All you gotta do is just kind of practice your reading, right? So, okay, so, qui aime danser? Émilie et moi, nous aimons aller en boîte. Mais Laurent est clair, il n'aime pas danser. Alors, qui aime jouer au tennis? Je joue au tennis, mais je préfère jouer au volley. Bon ben, j'invite tout le monde chez moi. Tout le monde aime manger de la pizza. Alright, hopefully you were repeating and you understand exactly what each words mean, the context, what this conversation is about. So please make sure you get it down, alright? So now let's go ahead and take notes on the negation with ne pas, right? Negation with ne pas. This comes from your textbook. It's straight from your textbook. Hopefully you get this down. Okay. Negation with ne pas. All right. Remember, first of all, that it takes two words to make a verb negative in French. Okay. In English, you just put, you say, I'm eating, I'm not eating. You just have to basically add the not in sentence right before the verb, and it makes it it turn a positive sentence to a negative sentence. I'm not, right? So, but in French, you have two words to add to the sentence to make a sentence negative. Okay, to make it negative, so it's ne and pas. Okay, ne and pas. Okay, so basically we put ne before the verb and pas after it. For example, je danse. Okay, je danse means I'm dancing. Here, if you want to put this negative, all you have to do. Oh, matter of fact, let me give you another sentence, another positive sentence. Tu joues au tennis. Okay, tu joues au tennis. You're playing tennis. All right. It, all you have to do, you put the ne before danse and pas after danse, right? Now, tu joues au tennis. How would you change this to a negative sentence? All you have to do, you just have to make sure you push everything on the side and add ne and pas after the verb, right? So it becomes tu ne joues pas au tennis. You're not playing tennis. Okay, so basically here you have ne and pas. So je ne danse pas. Tu ne joues pas au tennis. That's the negative sentence. All right. So remember that ne in French, ne becomes an apostrophe before a vowel sound. Just make sure you remember ne becomes an apostrophe before a vowel sound. For example, je n'aime pas le footing. You notice that here M start with A and it was supposed to be NE. You notice now because you have a vowel sound here, the E disappear and then you have apostrophe. Okay. Vous n'aimez pas faire du shopping. You don't like to go shopping. Okay. So you notice ne becomes an apostrophe and then it may start with a vowel because it may start with a vowel and then you don't forget pa. All right. So hopefully you get this down. And all I have you to do, I need you to do here is to just go ahead and do activity 5. Okay. Activity 5. And that's going to be your homework. You're going to do activity 5 and then it's on page 47. Okay. We're not going to do 6, 7, 8. We're going to do it in class. So all I want you to do is to do activity 5. All right. So on your homework activity 5, this is what you're going to do and turn in or bring it to class. And activity 5, it says Anne and Andre are twins. Okay, Andre likes only sports. Andre like only sports, and Anne, the girl, likes all activity except sports. She likes all activities except sport. Okay, so all you have to know to do here is to tell which twin does not like the following activity. Right? For example, like here on the example, we have faire du shopping, go shopping. Okay, the person who does not like to go shopping is André, right? André likes only sports, so you're gonna say André n'aime pas faire du shopping. Okay, number one, jouer aux jeux vidéo. Okay, jouer aux jeux vidéo, play video games. André likes only sports. Okay, and likes all activities except sport. So who does not like to play video games? Hopefully you tell me that André n'aime pas jouer aux jeux vidéo. So basically, that's what you have to do for the rest of the sentence, the rest of statements, and hopefully you get it done and turn in to get some credit. On this note, take care and see you tomorrow in class. Thank you very much. Bye bye.